Here's how to fix no sound on your iPhone. First, let's open Settings and go through a few checks. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. At the top, you'll see Silent Mode. Make sure it's turned off by either toggling the switch or pressing the mute button on the side of your iPhone, depending on the model. Next, scroll down to Ringtones and Alerts. Turn the volume all the way up here and ensure that Change with Buttons is enabled, so you can adjust the ringer volume with the side buttons. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the volume slider. Make sure it's also turned all the way up for internal sound. This controls the volume for apps and media. If that doesn't work, let's try turning off Bluetooth. Go to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and switch it off. This will disconnect any Bluetooth speakers or headphones that might be causing sound to play elsewhere. Next, let's check if there's an update available. Go to General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Sometimes a software update can resolve audio issues caused by bugs. If you're still having issues, go back to General, then tap on Reset at the bottom. Choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will restore your settings to their default values, which can help resolve sound issues. Additionally, head to Accessibility in Settings, then tap on Audio Visual. Check the balance slider, ensure it's centered. If it's all the way to one side, sound may only come out from one channel. Lastly, if nothing else works, try restarting your phone. Go to General and tap Shutdown at the bottom. After restarting, check if the sound issue is resolved. If all else fails and sound is still not working, there may be a hardware issue with your phone's speakers. In that case, it's best to visit an Apple store for diagnostic help. They can assist you with possible repairs or replacements. If this guide helped, please hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.